Next day.
Gas me, how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep.
Hey, be with us.
So, I look at my mama working out, so cute. I ain't gonna lie, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Yeah. But I see a lady upstairs. No, I see a lady in the grass, what I saying. They having a picnic.
Next day.
Gas me, how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get.
We just came back from Walmart, right? So I only got I didn't got too much. I got me ice cream, got me some snacks, got me some Hot Pockets. But that's pretty much I got. But yeah, next thing I'm about to do, get on my computer.
Would you still stick around either way? Tell me, would you stay now?
Alright, y'all, man. Next thing I was doing, right? I was on my computer trying to search up something. But I'm about to start a gaming channel. I'm trying to make my gaming channel look nice and creative. But yeah, so I was really doing. But I'm tired now.